GM. Boom. Just in time for the market to open. How's everyone doing? Happy Tuesday. We're at the same place we were yesterday. Same place where I was shorting off the open yesterday. SPX is a gap fill downside. NDX we have a gap fill downside both. What's up, everyone? Grambo, KB, Matthew, Maria. Yeah, let's go. I'm looking for a short. Where did we close yesterday? 586. $586 is that gap fill. Sorry, I'm trying to. Trying to get in. I took a starter right here. That's target. Okay, what are we gonna do today? What are you guys watching today? I saw we had some things from CES that were doing okay. I feel like this gap fills free money today. %, gap fill by size. By weekday on ES is 92. By ES right here, 85. 77% gap fill. Yeah, we have great statistics for the gap fill, 587, 586. We do have some data coming out today, don't we? $945. 945 S&P Global Composite PMI and services. All right, well, I'm short. What's up, Evan? Evan, you're up early. Those that didn't know, Evan wore a leather jacket yesterday. I saw him. CES looked like a pretty cool time, though. Evan and some of the Wolf crew out there. I haven't even tweeted this out. We get live, and there's a perfect trade setup. I hate the West Coast. West Coast, but I have to work on East Coast hours. What else is happening? Let me get my Vanquish going over here. How many of you guys have Vanquish? How many of you guys are testing it out with us? I want to see who can get the first payout on Vanquish. I know I'm behind a little bit, but all right. I got my Vanquish open. I've got my futures accounts open. I'm in and short starter. LEU's having a good day. Saw a lot of those rare earths having a pretty good day. Silver new all-time high. Whew. Two other prop firms to get W's in first. Which ones are it? The gap is the daily 9. Grambo, great eye on that. That means we don't want to really try to hold runners. Yeah, the gap fill is going to be the daily 9 perfectly. $662 is my average on this short. So we're looking for 75-point trade. Come on, give me a Drizzy candle. Tradify. Let's get that Tradify payout. Their payout's pretty cool. They give you like a little payout certificate with like a little sports car, or Lambo, or something. But the Rise system that they use is pretty cool. It's like a like you can get paid in crypto if you want it, but it's like fast. It's like one of the faster ones I've ever seen. Anybody took the AMD puts with me yesterday? Up 50% on the shorter dated ones, up 30% on the longer dated ones. Microsoft and AMD are drilling now. Tesla's down a lot. Tesla saw that NVIDIA was talking about all the robotaxi stuff. Or, well, not Tesla, but people saw it. They're selling it. Broadcom's down 1%. Amazon, Google, NVIDIA, only green Mag 7 right now. NVIDIA does look strong. But I expect NVIDIA to sell the news. I'll be right back. My power just went out. Not my power, well, my... Did all my power just go out? Uh-oh. That's no bueno. Oh, it's back. There we go. All right, we're up 46 points. Anybody short? Anybody short for the gap fill? Are these big enough numbers for anyone? Well, that gap fill and the SPX 6900 are going to line up pretty well. These gap fill stats are strong, though. I'm going to tweet this out real fast, guys. IWM. Well, hold on. Let me get my other system back up over here. I can look at it in just a second. Let's see. IWM would be a gap fill to the upside, right? Yeah, IWM's gap fill to the upside. It's not too far. So we wicked, so what, we wicked within 9 cents of it. You can see the gap developing right here. See this like highlighted area? Oh. So that's a tough one. I mean, IWM, if anything, you look for IWM to fill that gap upside and then reject. AMD puts are printing. PMI came in just under, still above 50, but just under the forecast. 52.5 on services, 52.9 was the consensus forecast. 53 was the consensus forecast on composite. We came in at 52.7. We're going to go take out previous session high, aren't we? I really wish my internet would come back up over here. Do I add? Or do I wait? It looks like we're going to take previous day's high. I will say this overnight right here, this was the level I was looking for yesterday. We did sweep it in London and made a push, so we'll see what happens. What's pushing us so hard? Boy, Tesla's getting wrecked. Tesla just filled yesterday's gap up. Nvidia's still pushing strong. Nvidia is the only thing really pushing, right? Broadcom came all the way back to green. Really need my internet to come back up over here. Oh, what if we go to 800 today? So you take a small ad here. Keep an eye on Twilio. Sorry, guys, I am spinning over here to reload. I have a battery backup on this one, and I don't have it on that one because I just spread it out. SPX is on this box right here. Dude, MU. Wow, what a name. What else is flying today, guys? Qualcomm. Oh, no. I really think Qualcomm's going back to like 200. AMD get to my target. Basically, 216 is basically there. Oh, we're taking out previous day's high now. This is probably going to go much higher, and then I'm going to short it back down. Oh, it was stopping out. It's going too far. My power like blipped off, and so like my other laptop shut down. All right, I got stopped out, or I just stopped out right there because I'm not gonna sit there and get ran over. I'm about to short again. If we break over the 750, I think we're going like another 100 points today. Scalping another one here, try to get some money back. Waiting on my son to wake up. The Three Kings or whatever came last night. Left them some gifts under the Christmas tree. The short against these 750s and try to get back to 88 or previous day's high, 708. What's pushing? Is anything else pushing besides NVIDIA? Amazon? And Google has a huge upper wake. Meta's down. Microsoft's not doing anything. Tesla's down almost 3%. Apple's down. Broadcom is looking decent for a second. Where's QQQ? I'm gonna take some Lotto QQQ puts. No, I was short here. See, ES has a pivot point just above it. Where's SPX? SPX is in a gap fill for 5 more points. That's probably the better short. Well, my son just woke up for. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go see my son, see their gifts. All right, sorry guys. All right, now we're locked in. All right, now we're locked in. I'm trying the short again right here. My 745. I don't love it though. ES is like right there too. Boy, I really think we may just go to that 800. I'm only going to risk like I'm going to risk like 20, 30 points here. SPX is, did we fill that gap yet? It's right here, 1 point higher. I should have waited for that. I mean, Microsoft's at the lows. I'm going to take some QQQ puts right here too. What is today? All right. I took 618 QQQ puts for tomorrow. Sorry if you guys hear my son screaming. I keep trying to mute, but the Three Kings brought them a bunch of gifts, so they're all fired up. I mean, NVIDIA is the only thing. Okay, Amazon. Broadcom's at Hive Day, but nothing else is really like participating at all here. Like none of the big weighted names. Netflix drilling under 90. Come on, give me a drop. I need a big drop. Take a first trim at. Oh, I'm looking for 710. Maybe I trim at that 720. We did hit the pivot point on ES finally. SPX basically filled that. Yeah, it filled that gap. Could probably sell some SPX credit spreads too, but if this turns into like a trendy day, then could get into trouble. Yeah, I've got 427 next on Tesla. Golden retrace. Tesla breaks 435. It's 7 more points down. It's funny because that gap fill stat's still there. Watch us reverse this whole thing. Yeah, I mean that's the gap fill right there on SPX. IndieX is like, I mean it could still go into it and go through it. IWM is screaming higher now. This is, I mean, look at this like downtrend break and go. IWM looks good. Is Melly up again? Where are they? Las filas donde están? ¿Están allá? Every gift needs batteries, of course. Wow, Melly and Nubank both up. This is not a stock I want to be involved in. If you're looking for asymmetrical upside, I understand, but God. Mobileye. Ugh. I appreciate that, King's Faces. Yeah, it's like, I mean, I apologize just to say like, hey, this is what's going on, but I think we can at least get, where's that pivot point? 722. Come on. Come on, at least get me to previous day high here. Oh, SoFi's getting wrecked. SoFi has an offering. Come on, I need that. I need the 20s at least. I added up here. I am heavy. Well, at least give me this pivot point at 722. There we go. Come on. 720s. Come on, 722. What did we hit? 727? Really? Oh, drop now because the IB is going to be bullish. All right. It's going to be stubborn, isn't it? What's up, Shady? ES needs to calm down. But nothing's participating here, though. Tesla 435 bounce. It is a beautiful day. And I can't focus right now with my kids screaming. But they should be screaming. This may run me over a second time. 15 minutes. We're starting to get too close to IB territory. UPS? I saw that one yesterday. Oh, wow. Yeah. UPS, look at that. This is a pretty good looking inverse head and shoulders. John Deere getting a pop. Lisa Sue's on NBC right now. This looks like it's going to flag and go higher. SPY missed that gap fill at the open by 7 pennies. Come on, pull back. There's only 2 names participating in this. Google new low. Yeah, I'm adding. I am heavy on this. But my stop is tighter. Don't make me get out of this break even and then get back in. I'm going to miss it. But what? I mean, Microsoft's at the lows. Tesla's not doing anything. Apple's pushing down. Google made a new low. Meta's just chopping. Broadcom is pushing. Amazon's at the highs and Nvidia's at the highs. It's going to take this high, take me out, and then repeat yesterday. Nvidia is just inside day. Here we go. Come on. At least give me that pivot point. Can we at least touch the EMA 9? Jeez. And QQQ looks like it's going to 625 this week. SPY probably new all-time high. Now we're getting too close to the IB. It's going to have to take the IB before it goes down, so I'm going to have to reassess here. It's holding this. Yeah, this is going to take it. It's going to take me out, and then I'm going to chase back into it. Okay. 6 minutes to that IB, 5 minutes, just over 5. Need to wait for this hourly close. I mean, ideally, we reject here, do this, and do this today. Now it's going to go higher and take me out. All right, I'm going to stop out. All right, if you're going to do this, just go on up. Google's making a new low again. Come on, just push up there. I'll wait 4 minutes. And Trump's speaking, isn't he? And the next two spots I have upside are 795 and 835, and then 860. I'm gonna have to buy a dip at some point today if it'll give it to us now. Amazon's screaming. Oh, I have Amazon calls still, don't I? Trump just said he's the king and he's salesman of the year for Boeing. So the trade here is previous day's high, back test. NVIDIA is kind of stalling now. It's Amazon's the only thing pushing. Meta's playing a little catch up. AMD new low. I'm just waiting to hammer a short because there's not enough big names participating, and I'm going to chase one. There's our first hour. Let it take this high. Really, I could just start it here. Come on, just push back up there, take the high real fast. Or if it pulls back, then you just long it. Kind of like 920 SPX. How much are those? All right, I'm chasing it. Fine, 737. What is Trump even blabbing about right now? AMD new low. It's about to hit my target. Robinhood's about to make a new low. Google's at the, I mean, Amazon's the only strength right now. Palantir, but it's not heavily weighted. There we go. Yes. Come on. I need a violent drop. 15-minute 9 is way down at yesterday's high. All right, there's a nice reversal look on the 15-minute SPX. Can I get a 20-point drop? Oh, I need a pull. I need a pull. Salvage a green day here. There's still a lot of day left, but don't touch the 9 and bounce. Don't do that. There. Oh God. I got a trim. That was all right. Uh, I did take a trim here at this 37, but I'm really looking for that 22 still. Oh, I loaded those puts while ago. Trim some of those. All right, I got to go break even because the IB should still get taken. Little scalpy scalp. That could have been the long right there for the IB and the push. I don't know. NVIDIA looks now Microsoft's picking it up, but NVIDIA is breaking back under everything. Tesla looks terrible. AMD's drilling. AMD hit my next target. That's 100% on AMD. I just closed out all the. Dude, I do not like Tradify. It is still hard for me to figure out. Come on, SPX, drop it. I don't even know what Trump is saying right now, to be honest. He's all over the place. It's kind of like a repeat of yesterday for me, where just execution just poor. Which I knew was coming after I had my biggest day ever on Friday. I knew I was going to have a bad day or two. I really just want us to get to 722 and then 708 is previous day's high. I'm watching ES coming in a previous day's high. SPX, it's 920. It's 3 points lower. I'm getting ready to close those. I mean, the thing was, it was just like, oh, I mean, Meta's red, Microsoft's red, Google's red, Apple's red, Tesla's red. Trump is making me laugh. Where do they find these people? The worst looking people I've ever seen. He's talking about the protests in New York. He's like, all the Venezuelans are celebrating, but then they've got these people in New York that are paid to protest. Where do they find these people? They're ugly people. They're rough looking people. I'll have to see, Matt, because if we come back down and hold on. If we back test, we haven't taken the IB high. That's a high probability. If we hold previous day's high, I probably have to look to get long, as much as I don't want to. If we hold right here, then I'd have to look long. Oh, I just got my trim. Finally, we're back. We are back. I got to stop going down to the coral reef and snorkeling. I just, gosh, I need more days like Friday. Did I get filled on my puts? My puts. Yeah, somebody give me a life vest so I could stop just. Where's the little Dundee little donut? You throw me the little donut thing. Supreme Court sets Friday as opinion day with tariffs pending. Come on, 710. Right here, it's the 21. Previous day's high. Come on, previous day's high. Right there. If we lose previous day's high, then 688 is the next spot. 30-minute midpoint 684. We could get bought up right here, and it'll look like we just bounced right out. Oh, there's VWAP too right there. We reject here on the daily, actually, the NQ is going to look weird. SPX and IWM still look fine, but I mean, 4 upper wicks right here in this area if this is the rejection spot. We really not touch 710. Oh my god, 710.75. I wasn't quite in the Mariana Trench, but I was at the point where I probably needed a pressurized suit. IB midpoint is 93. Oh boy, AMD drill, baby, drill. As long as you didn't get in the Titan sub is a crazy comment. Oh no. Guy down there with the Logitech like gaming controller driving that thing. I'm gonna put my stop down to like 55. Excuse me. Maria, I like that thought on the SPX puts. I joined you on, but I took the 20s up there. I closed some of them already. They went from $4 to like $6. Let's see if they can double that if we get down. I mean, what are internals doing? Not really doing much. Tick is negative. Bitcoin rejected exactly where I thought it would yesterday. How many times have I shown this level on Bitcoin? Same spot. Boom. All right, I got my 710. Now we're sitting pretty. I'm going like 740s on the stop here in profit. We're back. Come on, give me 100% of those SPX splits. Here we go. Fill them, fill me, fill me. Boom. 100% of the SPX splits. I'm out of those too. Oh, 93 I just filled. That's last trim, runners only now. Oh. There's a correlation between my kids when they scream and I get impatient on trades. I mean, the biggest tip for me was I'm looking at all the big weighted names are not participating at all. Crush this thing, crush it. There's VWAP. There's a good trim spot. VWAP on ES, midpoint of 30-minute on ES right there. All right, I'm flat on my day trade options. My MSTR puts are printing. AMD is absolutely printing. Holy. All right. What if we do go fill that gap? Oh. Tesla new low. AMD's down 4% now. Hood new low. Google's about to make a new low of day. Oh, look at NVIDIA. Just sell that news, baby. Sell it. I have no idea why Amazon's doing so well today, though. I mean, that's question of the day now. I mean, statistically, you should take the high, but the way this is acting, we may take the low, which would fill the gap. And look, somebody's going to come and say, what did Trump say? What's the news? Why are we selling? We were overextended, and none of your, like, look at your Mag 7 right now. You have 2 green Mag 7s. 7 of your heaviest weighted stocks in in the NASDAQ are red. We are so back. Let me just close the rest here. We'll see. I feel like this could maybe bounce a little relief and then just come right back down. Microsoft's holding in, but everything else. Well, Amazon's at the highs. Amazon's in a squeeze. NVIDIA made a new low. Oh. Ooh. Nope, here goes Apple. I have to get back in. More. Somebody give me that gift of the guy yelling more. All right, I'm going to... I just took another small little trim here on NQ. Just split my last runners. So NVIDIA is drilling. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? Tradeaholics. We have all the shorts. Wait, that pump this morning was so frustrating, though. Like, what are we doing? This is tough. I've got Trump playing and the squawker and voice chat all at once. Damn, son, why'd you short this? Trump is extra orange today. His hair almost looks pink. No. Me and Nicki Minaj, pink hair, don't care. I'm like in between taking another. I mean, I've got 2 micros left, so I could trim one at 651 and just hold one. Oh my god, just crush it. Apple's about to make a new low. Nvidia is drilling. It's a great day to be alive. Fill the gap. We got 2 gaps below us. Oh, this could get. The only thing would be that Supreme Court headline too. If people are like, "Oh, wait a second." We're gonna fill that gap. Uber. Somebody just said the Nvidia news is good for Uber. My portfolio is actually doing good today. Melly and Nubank are up. Uber's up. Is Boeing up? Boeing's up. The IV data is bullish, but the gap fill is bearish. I think we're filling the gap. I don't even know if we're going to get a pop to get in this thing again. There it is. Okay, I took that last Trump. I'm sitting in one little guy. But 100 points. I do the Trump dance. YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YM short and Q. Crush it. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. Dang, I sold those puts at 100%. They're up 250. That's okay. Oh, let's go. W's in the chat. Let's see a new member. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. Let's go, Jarrett. Where's that midnight? Where's midnight? Oh, it's right here. It's a pretty big fall for a little relief bounce time here. Trump's talking about the market right now. Trump just said it's the 47th time we've hit an all-time high. Of course he had to say 47, right? It's tough when you have vengeful data that it's like the gap, the IB says you break the high and the gap fill says you take that, you're going to go take out the low. All right, what's up? Trump is glazing himself. I think I'm going to do 619 QQQ puts just for the lotto. 0 DTs, see if we can fill this gap. Yeah, I'm going to take them. 59 cents. Just take some of those as a lotto. There we go. Average fill, 59 cents. Yep, I took some 59 cents 0 DTs, 619 QQQ puts. This is a little lotto play here. Probably pops back up to the EMAs, but I'm fine with getting in here. Lisa Sue's on on Bloomberg now. She's just making the full rounds today, trying to save this. We're having a good day now. My Apple Daily looks terrible. Microsoft looks bad. Netflix. Netflix might go see the Teraflow. Come on, MSTR, I need you to go take out that low. If we hold right here, it's not a bad look for the rest of the week. But boy, there's some bad looking charts out there. All right. EMAs are going to catch up at a really interesting spot. Good. If NVIDIA goes red right here, I mean, here's the thing. Look at IndieX. There's a huge gap up from yesterday that we just left. Huge. If you go to InQ, for those that like InQ, it's all the way down at like 387. It's 300 points lower. I don't know that we go fill it today, but I wouldn't be surprised to go clean that up. We still have these gaps from back here too. NVIDIA's CFO is trying to make positive comments right now. Oh, SanDisk is up another 20. God. All right. Coming into the EMAs here, I'm going to buy a few more of these lottos. My average is 51 now. Let's see if we reject right up here at previous day high. I don't know, pretty confusing look here. Somebody the other day said I'm going to go touch some snow, and I laughed. Previous day high right here. Let's see if you reject or push back over. Reject right here. Ooh, IWM's pumping now. I'll try a short right here on MNQ2. Fill at 700. I'll risk 25 points. Yeah. Amazon did just make a new high. Broadcom made a new high. Nvidia's rejecting the EMA9. Meta's headed lower. Where's my... All right, 30 minutes till lunch. Let's go ahead and finish this move down. That should have said 660 first target. There's a nice scalp right there from 700 to 675 VWAP. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop down. I'm only risking 8 points. Google new low. Watch insurance stocks. Trump said they're meeting with insurance in the next few days. I don't know if that's good or bad for insurance. Always makes me think of that Lemonade ticker. What has that one been doing that everybody was talking about? Shout out to Edgeful, keeping us out of trouble as always. Let me drop you guys a link. This gap fills. Oh. Pretty sure you still get a 7-day free trial. If we hold right here, though, then we could just really go chop the rest of the day. It's all one side. Dun, 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 dun. Dang, I should have bought Nug. Look at this. Shout out leverage shares. Should have shorted TSLG. Tesla looks bad. $427, $420. Those are your targets on Tesla downside. Our opening print high and VWAP just holding right here for now. Robinhood new low. My lotto puts are at break even too. So let's see if a nice little flush. We can get some of those. Let me go ahead and set a trim at 100%. Just in case we get one. We may hold right here. Trump just said if we don't win midterms, I'll get impeached. And NVIDIA's getting an up candle though. It's like London high right now, needs to get lost. There's a pretty heavy level here if you look left. Oh my gosh. I'm so ready for my kids to go back to school. NVIDIA demand has increased. NVIDIA is going to get a ripper on this. It's like 190 though on NVIDIA could be a problem. Pretty big rip, pretty big fall. You may have to sit here for lunch before anything else happens. Tesla new low though. Robinhood new low. Apple new low. Google new low. Meta new low day now. That's what I was saying earlier this morning. Is okay, everything else was I mean, you had Amazon, Broadcom's flying. That Broadcom's getting more of a pump than Nvidia on that demand news. The CFO, I think, or somebody for Nvidia just said that. Pretty break-even day. Right back to my entry on M&Q. So I'm risking to 712. I'll get stopped out there. You had so many texts at the time. Yeah, Tommy. I mean, it's a bearish chart. The pops are going to get sold. I mean, that was an easy scalp trade. And like I took it on MSTR. Oh, MSTR is printing. Oh, thank you. I think I'm going to stay in this AMD. I haven't even looked at. Oh, silver, new all-time high. Come on, do something fun before the lunch hour. Yeah, I saw that, Tommy, but it was like I don't know. It went up. I mean, yeah, that was part of it. Part of it was just, new year, tax loss harvesting. People were buying it back. Because like with Bitcoin, you didn't have a wash sell, but you could have sold, if you sold Bitcoin December 31st and bought it back here, like you could take the loss. If you bought Bitcoin anywhere in here, you could have sold it for a loss here and bought it back. So actually, have you looked at this? Look at let me find New Year's. Look at look here, right here is New Year's Day right here. And look, boom. Oh, here we go, baby. Here we go. It's a great day to be alive. Those 619s are gonna print. We need that to happen like by lunch. So they're trying to hold VWAP still. What is VIX doing? It rejected 15. Amazon's still strong. Some of these other names you might get a relief bounce in. Robinhood just hit 120, kind of a hold number. Google's trying to bounce a little bit. Meta's getting a pretty nice bounce. Almost looks like a little sweep. I don't know, that could be it. Yeah, they're buying this thing up. They're probably going to push it back to 720s. Or is this just a big hanging man? There's no size filling right now. A bunch of size filled right here earlier, though, 695. Where's our point? Is our point of control like right here for the day? No, it's way up higher. Kind of looks like a bear flag. Kind of looks like it's a hold on previous value. But to me, it's worth the shot, the risk to try to get the gap fill. Come on, knock on that door. It's also a whole number on NDX, 25,500. I would like to see 25,200. That'd be cool. Go fill the gaps. All the gaps. We have all the hits. There we go. First trim just hit. What is that, 40, 38 points or something like that? Still, the CFO from NVIDIA is talking about the licenses for H200 chips to China. We'll still have to wait and see what happens, is what he's saying. Working feverishly on licenses. The wait and see strategy is probably something I should employ more. Come on, I need a flusher so these puts will start printing, and I've got trims sitting in at 100% for majority. My average is 0.46 now, and I have trims at 0.9 and 1. 9999. I should probably go. $6.26 is what I want for the next trim. I got a little squiggly line sitting right there. Little 233 squigger. Starting to look like a little H. We have not taken either side of the IB, and it looks like we want to take the bottom. SPX, go fill the gap. Turn on the magnet. Microsoft getting a little rough. Oh. Yeah, London high, midnight open. And like if you go to the bigger, like the hourly, there's kind of a range from 688 to 650s. Do I go break even on this? Nah, still under the EMAs. Why would I? It's the thriller. It's either an H or a double bottom. You choose. Or a wonky right shoulder. The rest of the day could just be chop until it picks direction. But Google looks rough. This is looking like maybe resolve higher unless it rejects right here. Oh, I got 10 minutes till lunch. 10 minutes, and I'm going to go host the Tesla space because it's Tuesday. Get some food in me at some point. Come back this afternoon. See, this needs to reject right here. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. The lab of rockets. New all-time high. What's FJet doing? Recent IPO. ESTS going to 100, didn't it? Need SPX to reject right here. Maria, do we take them again? Like 905s? 6905s? 6905, 250. Yeah, I'll try it. Looks like it wants to hold and go higher. I bet I could sell some spreads upside right here. Oh, beautiful rejection. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna have to close up here in a second. I'm scalping those puts. I'm still in the M&Q shorts. Those SPX puts already moving. $2.50 to $3 already. $55 gain. Beautiful, beautiful rejection right where it needed to. Now just get some follow through. All right, guys, I'll be back this afternoon. Jordan will be live, I think, around 1 p.m. And I'll be joining probably 30, 45 minutes after that. We'll be here for the afternoon. Could take all day, Maria. I'm going to probably be quick to take profit. Microsoft looks raw. Everything's your Mag 7s don't look good at all. I'll leave you with this, guys. Tesla just made a new low. NVIDIA doesn't really look like much of anything. It's kind of in a little bear flag, but it could recover and hold there. Microsoft looks rough. Meta's still just down here. Meta could bounce. Google doesn't look good. I mean, there's some things sitting on support, but Broadcom and Amazon still okay. Apple just sideways down here. All right, we'll see you guys. I'll be back. Jordan will be here in about an hour 15. My Tesla space usually goes an hour and a half or so, so we'll get that knocked out, and I'll be back. It's lunchtime anyway. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat. They're trying to hold it here. All right, I'll be back in a little bit.